Hey guys, Lissandro here, and today I'm gonna do another algebra tutorial, and we're gonna continue on distributive law. Okay, so last time I gave an example like 4x plus 5x plus 6 equals 2. Okay, and we pretty much solve for x. Okay, and as you can see here 4x and 5x. I applied distributive law, but it wasn't it wasn't completely necessary because you can pretty much add 4x and 5x and you end up with 9x. Okay. But I did it for demonstration purposes. Now, last time I said that this that in situations like these is simple, you can pretty much simplify the equation, but sometimes you run into trouble in which you cannot apply just a simple simplification. Then you have to apply distributive law. So what examples are those? And I'm going to give you an example. Let's say 9x squared plus 2x equals, let's say for simple purposes, 0. Okay, so what exactly do you do here? Okay, and like I said, you apply the distributive law. Okay, and if you have trouble with this and everything, don't feel overwhelmed and everything, because in reality, when I started college, I also had trouble with this. Trouble keeping up with some things in regard to algebra here and there, But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So you apply distributive law. So in this case, it's x times 9x plus 2, and that equals to 0. So the thing is, right here you have it a little bit more simple. Okay, so the thing is, what could you apply here that would equal to 0? And the answer to this is actually here. At least this is one of the one of many methods to solve it, because you'll get a lot of these in which you don't have just one answer. You have two or three, or sometimes even four integers which equal the same result. So let's go ahead and apply this. 0, 9 times 0 plus 2 equals 0. And your end result is 0 equals 0. Oops, sorry. 0 equals 0. Okay. Now, is there any other number you can plug in? Okay. And one thing I recommend is doing a chart. Like, for example, let's say for here you applied zero, and you go ahead and plug in each number. Okay, the next one you will apply 1. Okay, and you apply 1, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 1, and you get 11. So that's not it. And you could also plug in like negative numbers, and in which you plug in negative numbers like negative 1 times 9 plus 2, you would end up with um, you'll end up with negative 7. Okay, times negative 1, you'll end up with 7. So that's not it. And you go on along um, with various numbers to test out if whatever whatever you plug in is gonna give you the result or not. Okay, so we already know it's zero. Okay, so I'm not gonna do the whole chart or anything like that. You pretty much like pretty much do that all on your own now. Okay, but as for simple purposes, one thing I want to say is you can also apply like fractions, like rational numbers. Okay, you can apply like, for example, let's say 2 over 9. Actually, this would be negative uh, 2 over 9. And why would this equal 0? Because 9 9 times 2 over 9, 9 and 9, they cancel out each other, and you're left with negative 2. Okay, negative 2 plus 2, you already know is 0. So your result will be negative 2 over 9 times 0. And you're bound to end up with 0. And that's actually a valid answer. So pretty much two sets that make this statement true would be 0, and it would be negative 2 over 9. Okay, so anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.